Welcome back, everybody. Going to show you how to change your lollipop gasket or your bushing on your control arm. So it connects right here under the car, and what it looks like is this piece right here. When you get under the car and you see the control arm here, this big boomerang looking piece, there's a bushing right here. And those two bolts were 16s, so I took those two 16s out, and I'm going to show you what the bushing looks like. So normally you would take those two 16s out and just pull the bushing off, but I have the bushing out so we can look at it. So this is the control arm on the bottom, goes through the subframe on the top, but you don't have to take it out to do this. This is the bushing piece. You remove this 16 and this 16, and you see how they have cutouts here? There's a little piece of metal that juts out so that you can put these in and you don't get this wrong and this won't slide. So on the back here, you can see the bushing. Bushing is kind of torn up. It's all nasty looking. I'm gonna have to hammer this one off because it's stuck. And you see that piece of metal coming through here? That is a piece of the control arm. I don't know why they made it this way, but they did. So this is your control arm with your two ball joints, here and here, and your lollipop. And you have to pull the lollipop out, and then you have to put the lollipop back in. You have to make sure that when you get an aftermarket lollipop, sometimes it'll be square. So you notice how this is flat, and then flat on both sides, and then flat down. That makes a square. You have to put it on correctly, the middle bushing, before you can push the lollipop on. You see how it's like a hexagon on the inside, like a bolt, but it doesn't look like a hexagon on the outside. So you gotta make sure you line your bushing up right, or you'll never be able to get this part in underneath the car to mount it up in there correctly. And then you're just gonna have to pull this off or bang this off with a hammer and put a new one on. A new one will be very easy to put on. I would go with something a little sturdier bushing because if you're gonna replace this anyway, then you might as well just get the best for the best ride. Let's look at the other one real quick. The other one is right here, and it's still on the vehicle. The other one, you see how it's rotten, it's broke away from the inside. See the bushing here is blown out, it's completely fell out of it. It's just kind of rotten as rotten could be. You see this little piece in here? So yeah, I'm gonna have to hammer this off and then slide the new one on. So if you ever hear someone say that you're hearing a knock under your car or a little bang, these go out pretty bad. It's not supposed to move like this. It's supposed to hold very steady. And I don't know why, but people call these the lollipop, I guess because they're round and they're on the end of this stick. But this is your control arm mount bushing for the lollipop. And this is how you get a better ride in your E46. So thanks for coming to Disturbing Kreationz. If we can get a like, subscribe all. We're doing videos all the time. It's Christmas Eve and I'm out here teaching you guys how to do the lollipop bushing on your E46. You know what I'm saying? So I'm very dedicated. You be dedicated and support and help me educate some other people and keep making fantastic videos like this, the lollipop bushing, so that we can get your car fixed and help everybody out, pass knowledge. All right, thanks for coming to Disturbing Kreationz. Subscribe, notifications all. We'll see you later.